Alright guys, so this is, I believe, is one of the last steps, is to tighten up the header bolts over here with my 12mm wrench. This is delicate because we don't know if we place enough sealant or gasket sealant inside. We have to tighten the bolts pretty much to make it airtight. At the end, we'll have to check for air leaks in here to make sure that there are no leaks at all. Okay, so hopefully we've done a good job. We're gonna tighten as much as possible. The knobs first, we'll do it normally with the wrench and by hand. Okay. All right, that's one. That's another one. And the last one, which is the most difficult one, with the extender. This extender is pretty nice because it's pretty long. Okay, so now with the wrench, we're gonna make sure that we tighten the thing the other way. Okay. No, I think it's the other way. I don't want to loosen it up. Okay. Okay. There you go. Here we have to be patient. Okay, make sure the other one also is tight. Okay. Okay. Let's do it again. This one seems like it's a little loose still. You can go more. Okay. We don't want to break the knobs, of course, so we have to be careful when we apply force. I think it's pretty tight, the first one, so let's do the left one. Okay. Ah, man, I'm tired. This is a kind of a tiring job, but it has to be done. There you go. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, I think it's pretty much. I cannot go too much anymore in that one. Let's tight this one again. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's double check. Okay, it's pretty tight. And this one as well. Okay, it's pretty tight. So hopefully that's tight enough. Hey guys, they are not moving. Okay, they're pretty tight in there. Okay, they're not moving at all. Okay, just be careful we don't drop the bike, we tilt the bike. We don't want to do that. Okay, so I believe that is it for this step.